Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Eufy solar wireless security camera. This is the S330 Pro model. So this is going to be an unboxing video and a product overview. Let's get into it. Let me show you what this kit brings. So you can see here, it comes with your two solar wireless cameras. They're 4K. On top of the camera is a solar panel. So this is going to charge itself in the sun, and you don't have to worry about having an extra solar panel to hook up. So over here is where you mount the bracket, mount it to the wall. So here is your LED lights right here. Here's your 4K camera. When you take off this cover, you can see it better. It has the motion sensors in here. On the bottom side is your speaker. Here is your sync button. When you remove this bracket, you have your USB-C port to charge it if you want to charge it, or you can even hook up a separate solar panel if the spot that you want to install this camera doesn't get direct sunlight, and you could put another solar panel on top of this just to get you the extra power that it needs. So the camera has a good weight to it. It's made very well, and all it needs is 1 hour of sunlight due to the advanced solar panel that it has. Here's your home base station right here. That's the power button right here. On top of here, if you push this down, you're able to expand and install a external hard drive on here. All you do is just loosen the screw, and this thing can hold up to 16 terabytes worth of memory. The home base itself has 16 gig of on storage memory here. On the back, you have your sync button, you have your USB 3 port, you have a USB 2 port, and you have your Ethernet port, and here's the power cord. And here's a speaker for when you go through the setup. In the other box, you have your mounting brackets right here. So you just screw this onto the camera. I'll show you here. So you can either twist the camera, and then you use the nut just to tighten it, and then you're able to loosen this, and then you can adjust where you want the camera and which angle that you want the camera to be in. And once you have the right angle, you tighten it, and then you're able to lock it into place. And then if you want to loosen this, this comes off like so, and then you're able to mount the screws right here. So it takes 2 screws. So it brings 3 of these mounting brackets. You have your mounting screws, you have a USB-C charging cable, you have your positioning stickers. So this makes it a lot easier to mount your bracket with the perfect holes from here. It even comes with an extra solar panel just in case if you need to install this camera under a shaded area. It comes with a very long cord. So you can see that I mounted this on this pole. It's in perfect position to get the sun when the sun comes out. And you can adjust it with the knob in any direction that you wanted to. So this is the app that you need to use the Eufy security camera. So this shows the cameras that are set up and your home base. So I'm going to show you the live view. It hooks up pretty fast. You can hear all the audio that's going on outside. And you can either record if you want to record something right now based on what you're seeing. You can listen to the sound on and off. If you want to speak to somebody through the camera, you press the phone button. If you want to turn on the light, you can turn on the light and then playback. And if you swipe here, you have your different night vision mode. So at the moment I have the daylight mode. So this Max Vision makes the nighttime look as if it's daytime. So you can see on my live view right now, it looks as if it's daytime, but in actuality, it's around 11 o'clock p.m. So I'll show you how it looks with the standard. You just click there, and it changes it. So it's a little bit darker. If you want to turn on the spotlight from the camera, so you can see the spotlight is on. You can see it's a little bit dark, brighter here. And now if I use infrared, then you'll see the night vision mode, like so. But I prefer the daylight mode so that I can see everything nice and clear, because the Max Vision makes everything looks very clear, as if it's pretty much daytime. And then with the playback, you see what goes on. So you can see mine, I have it set up with human detection, which shows myself, and then I even have a vehicle detection that shows when I pull into my driveway. You can download, you can share it to somebody, or you can even delete it. I'm going to show you all the different settings that you could go on. So here, one of my cameras that are set up, you can set up your motion detection. You click here, you can set it up for human recognition, human detection, vehicle detection, pet detection, or all motions. You can also set your activity zone. In my case, I set the camera on a main street, so all I want to capture my motion is just inside my driveway here. So I mapped out just my driveway with the blue shaded area here. The rest, the sidewalk, the street, and my neighbor's yard, I don't get any motion sections there. So it's very easy to set up the activity zone. And then you can set up your detection sensitivity. I have it at 5, which works very good for me. You can set up a heat map, and then from here you can see the power manager. It's an optimal battery life. One great feature about this camera is that this uses the 2.0 solar panel. So all you need is 1 hour of sunlight to hit this camera, and it will charge it for the full day. And then you're even able to set up your home base and to see how many cameras are set up and all the different settings that has. And even this tells you how much space that you have on your hard drive. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great solar wireless security camera. I like how cameras are 4K quality, and it has the bright LED light, and I also like how it has a solar panel built into the camera itself, so you don't have to worry about setting up another solar panel on top of here. It has your brackets right there on the bottom. Here's your motion sensor. I also like how home base has a built-in 16 gig of memory right here. And if you want to expand this, all you have to do is just install a hard drive inside here, and then you could expand it to up to 16 terabytes worth of storage. I also like how the app works very well with this, and it has the AI detection, so you're able to set up facial recognition, and that will help to prevent the false alarms. And it has a very loud speaker, and the battery life on these lasts a very long time.